Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Shadrach. Today I want to quickly show you how to change an aircon filter on this BMW F33. If you're starting to get a funny smell on your car, or you've recently bought a second-hand car and you want it to smell fresh, it might be a good idea to change an aircon filter. So I'm gonna quickly show you how the process goes. It is easy, takes you about 5 minutes to do it. So let's get down to it. So for this quick job, we're gonna firstly need the filter, and you're also gonna need a number 10 socket wrench and also a star screwdriver. So this is what I will be using for this job. So the filter, it is located under here on the passenger side. So this is BMW F33, it's right hand drive, so the filter is located on the left side. It is somewhere under here. I'll quickly show you now. So under here there are two nuts. The other one is located somewhere here, and the other one is located somewhere here. So you're gonna have to unscrew both of them, and then after that you unplug the light and also unplug the 12-volt socket here. There's a 12-volt socket under this car. Most people are not aware that this car has got a 12-volt socket here, which I normally use to connect my laptop if maybe I'm driving and I've got a meeting, I'm driving if I've got a meeting. You can also use it to connect your cooler box. When you put your cooler box here in the front, you can connect it there. So it's a very useful tool. So let's get down to the business of today. Firstly, it's this one. And that one's. And then there are two clips. There's a clip here. After taking off the clips, tight space here. Here's the 12-volt socket. Take it out, and then you must also unplug the light. It's very dirty. So now the filter is. In order to reach the filter, we have to go under. Here's the filter. So to open the filter, you're gonna have to unscrew these ones. Let's go ahead and unscrew them. Here, the screws are out now. So let's remove the filter. To remove the filter, you just pull this here, and then there is the filter. To get the filter out, sometimes if it's too dirty, you might need something to pick up the dirt, but this one I don't expect it to be very dirty. Oh, looks like it is very dirty. So here's the old filter. You can see it's dirty, but it's not very bad as compared to the filter that I've seen before. This one is dirty, but yeah. Oh, okay. Looks like it is very dirty. And then here's the new filter. So this is the new filter that you're gonna put it in. So you might just take it, so this is the front side. Where there's this arrow, it shows you the front side, so it means which must go in. So there it is in. There'll be a tight corner, but it is in now. So now I'm gonna get this back in. To get this back in, don't forget to connect back the light. And also connect back the 12 volts. Make sure it's tight, nice and tight. So there you have it. Job is done. When you want to know to find out more about the service parts of this car, you can check out this video right here to check for how to change oils and other stuff like that. Cheers guys, see you in the next one. Bye.